Hi beauties, Liv here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a really cool braid for summer. It's called the waterfall braid. I'm going to be showing you on Annalise's hair. As you can see, we've done a couple of tousled waves in her hair, and this is a really good effect when you're doing this braid because it's kind of a beachy boho sort of braid, and this is definitely what you want your hair to look like before you start. There's a few steps we're going to take you through, so watch on as I break it down for you. Step 1, decide which side of the hair you're going to do the braid on. Usually the side with more hair is the best because it is a standout feature of the hairstyle. Step 2, separate the hair into 3 even pieces. Step 3, begin braiding as you would normally a French braid. Step 4, leave the piece on the right hand side down and pick up a similar sized piece from just next to it. Step 5, use that piece as your new piece of hair in your braid. Step 6, keep braiding normally, drop that same piece you just picked up and pick up a new one from right next door. Keep braiding. Again, drop the piece on the right hand side and pick up one from right next to it. Braid that in. Remember beauties, it's good to keep the pieces of hair the same size, but it's also nice if you want a kind of beachy boho effect to mix up the sizes of the pieces. Remember to drop the piece on the right hand side and pick up a piece from right next to it, and then incorporate that into your braid. To finish off, start braiding the hair down loosely in a French braid. To make it blend in with the hair, only braid about halfway down the length of the hair and fasten with a clear elastic. Ensure the braid is loose so it blends in with the curls.